Students, in earlier video we have discussed one figure of speech of association, that is metonymy. Today in this video we shall discuss two more figures of association, that are pun and synecdoche. So first of all, pun. So pun is a figure of speech in which there is a play of words. Play of words, there are words and words have different meanings. So see the definition. When there is more than one meaning in the same word, it is called pun. Words are same and meanings are different, that is known pun. Already I have told you what? Play of words. Now see the examples. An ambassador is an honest man who lies abroad for the good of his country. Here, lies is one of the honest man who tells lies. Where? In other country, for his country. For his country, he tells lies. But another meaning of lie, he lays in the other country. Who does lay in the other country? An ambassador. Ambassador lays in another country for his country. Now next example. A life is worth living, it depends on the liver. Here liver has two meanings. One, body part, that is helpful in digestion. So life depends on worth living, it depends on the liver. So if your liver is in good condition, then you can live long life, and if your liver is damaged, then you cannot live. So one meaning of liver is body part, and another meaning of liver is your caliber. If you have the caliber, then you can live. Otherwise, you cannot live. So you should have courage to live your life. So here liver has two meaning, lies has two meaning. Next word, a parson told the sexton and the sexton told the bell. Parson told, here told is the second form of tell. So parson told the sexton and the sexton told the bell. Here there is another spelling but sound is same. Here is double L and here only single L. You know, tolling of the bell. First bell, second bell. So here the sound is of the both words is same, but they have the different meaning. Last one. A teacher trains the mind, a driver minds the train. Here train and train. One train is for training. Teacher gives training to the mind, and here train in which you travel. And another word, mind. Mind, body part, and driver minds. Minds means cares. So here mind and train has the double meaning. So here is the use of pun. Now let us come to the next figure of speech, that is not synecdoche. Synecdoche is a figure of speech in which a part is used to designate the whole or the whole to designate the part. One part is used for whole, and for whole one part is used, and for part is used for whole, and whole is used for one part, that is known synecdoche. Here with the examples it will be more clear to you. All the best brains in Europe could not solve the problem. All the best brains in the Europe could not solve the problem. Here brain means only one part of the body. All the best brains in Europe could not solve the problem. Only brain is used, or whole of the body is used. Only whole of the body is used to solve the problems. Okay? So instead of whole of the body, only part is used, only brain is used. So here is the use of scenic touch. Next example, the hand that mocked him. In the poem Ozymandias by P.B. Shelley, he referred the hand that mocked him. So here sculpture made one of the sculpture of the king, and here is the description of the hand of that sculpture. Okay, so did he use only hand? No, he used his whole body in making that sculpture of the king Ozymandias. So part is used for whole. He has many mouths to feed. He is to provide food to many men. So here mouth is only used. So food is provided only to mouth? No, whole of the body to many men, not only many mouths. So part is used for the whole. So here is the use of scenic touch. Next example, among Arabian sands. So here instead of desert, sand is used. Means instead of whole, part is used. So here is the use of scenic touch. 5 more hands are needed. 5 more hands means the help of 5 more men are required. Only hands will work without the help of body? No, whole of the body is required, but here is the use of only one part. So here is scenic touch. So when part is used for whole or whole is used for the part, then that is known scenic touch. In next video, we shall discuss some more figures of association. Thank you.